You okay? Heads up!
Rust on my forehead.
Just leave the light right there. I can actually see pretty good now. I am in Illinois right now, eastbound and down. I'm actually headed to Indiana to pick up parts for a new project car. I think you guys are going to seriously dig. I've also got a transmission, a new jack I bought, a bunch of crap back there. We've got some other kind of trades going on while I'm out on the road during this weird pandemic. Just trying to stay, you know, kind of distant from people and taking some American highways. Stay tuned. You're gonna like what happens next. Made it to Cutlass Scott's in Indianapolis, and this dude has everything. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Apparently there's a warehouse in addition to all this. Oh, it is? Okay. Wow. You said 108th Cutlass tomorrow? Wow. It is the next morning. We made it to Kevin's house, home of Busted Mopars. What's up, Kevin?
Busting Mopars.
So we're headed to Kentucky now to pick up more parts for the new project car and work on a crusty 73 Firebird. This should go well.
Something like that.
I'm sure it'll be fine. Changing trucks at the House of Horsepower, aka Carson's barn.
House of Horsepower.
I guess it would be if anything here ran.
It's more like Shitbox Nation.
There you go. We have the four-door, air quotes, race car Catalina. Oh, yeah, of course, as required.
Scrapyard. That's my 68 GTO. It's a rust bucket. We've got a big plan for that one though. This is my 72 Duster. We've got a grand plan for this one also, but right now it's just sitting. In here is a bunch of nice stuff that's not mine.
That's why it's inside.
That's why it's inside.
We got here 280ZX.
Yep, 300ZX. This is actually Jarrett, our camera guys. It doesn't run.
Oh yeah, and if you want to see more of these cars, like Stinky Pinky, the LS swapped 60 olds, yeah. 59, oh. Uptown. You can check that out on Broken Gear. That's Kevin and Carson's channel.
Yeah, that's Stinky Pinky. It's 59 olds, 5.3 LS swap. Jared, our camera guy, this is 86 300ZX.
Nice.
T-tops. It's a turd. This is Carson's Pinto. It is a 77 Mustang 2 Pinto.
Sequels are never good. This is proof.
Yeah, that thing's junk. This is actually Carson's dad's Formula Firebird. This is the Bluebird. It's a 70 Thunderbird. It's got a 429 Thunderjet in it. That engine is actually coming out, same with the transmission, and it's going in that car, which is a 64 Galaxy.
Ooh.
That drivetrain's junk. So is this drivetrain, but we're going to fix that one. That's the Catastrophe. It's a 64 Catalina. It's going to be in an upcoming episode of Broken Gear. And then this is the only car that I have that has ever made it into the barn.
It's missing some things, sir.
Yeah, this is a new frame for that GTO that's sitting outside.
Wow. You have your work cut out.
Yeah.
This will be our last stop for the trip. We are pulling the 4-speed out of the rustiest Firebird I've seen in a while. I am loving the quarter action on this thing. Wow. But should be everything he needs to put back together an automatic car so it's drivable for him. I'm sure we won't get 10 pounds of rust in our eyes. It'll be fine. And what do you think of the car?
Oh, you know, I think my favorite piece is this quarter panel. Even though, I think if you divide it up, this is actually probably more like an eighth panel.
Yeah, it's half of a quarter.
I think that's how the measurement on that works.
Yeah, these are actually they're specially imported from Switzerland.
Like Swiss cheese.
Or maybe Bonneville. I don't know. Wow. It's what's the saying? Not my car.
Not my car.
You enjoying yourself down there, buddy?
I am stuck under this piece of junk, and it's not even my car.
Hey, this thing runs. How many of your cars run?
Yes. Some of them run.
We'll have it restored before lunch.
In 10 years.
Yeah, lunch in 2030. Oh man.
Now, this thing's gonna be neat when it's done.
Oh, and it's got all the right stuff.
What are you doing?
Can you get out soonish? You set the car on the bolt for the clutch. I need that.
Yo, give me a second. I'm actually almost done with this.
Ow. Oh yeah, there's some self-tappers poking through the old firewall there. I found one.
Like a floor repair.
Oh yeah, like a floor repair that went all the way up the firewall.
Oh!
You okay? Heads up!
Rust on my forehead.
Just leave the light right there. I can actually see pretty good now.
Actually, I can see a lot better now too.
Right where you wanted it. That's what I meant to do this whole time.
Don't drop that wrench. That one won't bounce as well.
Just
God damn it.
don't leave your mouth open, okay?
I got rust in my eye.
This is super fun. I love Kentucky. Thought I had this loose. Apparently, I'm on crack, and now I can't get my hand out. Ah. Got the wrench?
Yeah, I got the wrench.
Okay.
Got your hand?
Yep.
Here, it's out the front.
Thanks. Oh. Thought it would be nicer than dropping it on your face.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Watch us find out that these middle bell housing bolts come out easier from the bottom. Ah! The clip broke off.
All I heard was thud and a bunch of shit raining down from the inner fender.
No sprinkles.
This is legit the rustiest one I've ever seen, but it's sentimental to the owner, and he needs an automatic to be able to enjoy it. So at least he'll have all the pieces once he gets his donor car to use, I guess, what's left of this one. I cannot make this stuff up. The exhaust was lag screwed into the transmission cross member. I don't... How...
Hey,
What?
You're full of crap. The thing does not have a flat edge on it.
Sure it does.
No.
How'd you get it out?
I wiggled it and it came out with my fingertips. It's the only reason that thing came out.
The greatest tool in my toolbox, the Kevin. We got it out! This car's trying to kill us. Literally trying to kill us. How you feeling, Kevin? Now we just got to put everything back together.
It's an automatic, it'll be easier. We still gotta get the flywheel off.
Now that you said that, it's not going to be easier. Goodbye to the world's rustiest Formula Firebird. Jeff's got the transmission he needs to make it drivable again and enjoy the thing, so he's going to get after a donor body and make it happen. If we can do it, if he can do it, anybody can do it.
That's right.
Get out there and drive your cars, people.
Peace.
You're fired, Kevin.
Going home.
Till next time, dude.